Welcome to Tanoa Travel Tips. In this video, we are going to discuss the dreaded topic of all long-distance travelers, jet lag. We will discuss the causes, symptoms, and ways to manage it all together. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and remember to share it to those who you feel will find it helpful. Also, hit the bell to make sure not to miss any of our future videos. So let's get into the video. So what is jet lag? Jet lag is the feeling of being out of sync with the time at which one is expected to be awake and active. It is a result of traveling across time zones, which causes the body's biological clock to become desynchronized with the actual time of day. When this happens, it can make it difficult to function normally. This can happen when traveling between two time zones that are far apart, such as from New York City to San Francisco, or from Paris to New Delhi. When traveling long distances, jet lag is just part of the travel experience. However, what actually causes the problem? What are the causes of jet lag? Jet lag is caused by the body's circadian rhythm, also known as the biological clock. The body's circadian rhythm controls when and how much energy the body uses. It consists of a group of cells in the brain called the hypothalamus that govern when we are supposed to be awake and when we are supposed to be asleep. When the body's circadian rhythm is out of sync with the actual time of day, the body's biological clock becomes desynchronized with the actual time of day, and the body doesn't really know how to feel. So, what are the symptoms of jet lag? The symptoms of jet lag can vary depending on the severity of the situation. The most common symptoms of jet lag are fatigue, difficulty sleeping, irritability, and headaches. In some serious cases, people can also experience depression, anxiety, and even nausea and gastrointestinal distress. Sometimes the symptoms of jet lag can be so severe that people require medical attention. Jet lag occurs in approximately 90% of the people who travel long distances by air. However, the majority of people who experience jet lag do not experience any serious symptoms. In fact, symptoms of jet lag are usually mild and only last for a short period of time. So you may be wondering what you can do before your flight to help prevent getting severe jet lag. If you are worried about becoming severely jet lagged, avoid staying up late the night before the flight and make sure to get a good night's sleep. This will definitely help. If you're a night owl, this may be very difficult, but practicing some self-restraint and discipline can help decrease the risk of getting severe jet lag. Another thing you can do before your flight to avoid getting jet lag is avoid drinking alcohol on the day before the flight. Alcoholic beverages can disrupt your sleep, and if you're not well rested, you will be more susceptible to jet lag. And yet another way to avoid getting jet lag lies in the planning of the trip. Try to plan your trip so that you will be given enough time to acclimate to the new time zone. While it is tempting to set up a full itinerary for the whole trip, do not plan anything on the day of arrival. That way you can use the time to get some sleep and get used to the new time zone. And as a bonus, if you don't experience jet lag, then you can do some impromptu sightseeing. So now you've made it onto the flight. Another way to avoid getting jet lag is to actually sleep during the flight. It can be difficult to sleep during a long flight due to distractions on the flight and also excitement about the new destination. However, if you're able to sleep during the flight, you will be able to better enjoy the destination once you arrive. It is helpful to pack good travel accessories to help you with sleeping on the plane. A good travel pillow can help immensely, as can a travel eye mask and noise-canceling headphones or earbuds. By taking a nap during the flight, you will arrive at your destination rested and refreshed. Check the links in the description for travel masks and headphone options. These are affiliate links, and if you click one and purchase, I will earn a commission at no cost to you. The commission helps to support the channel and these videos that we're making. So you've made it through your flight and you've landed at your destination. So let's say that you're one of the 90% that actually suffers from jet lag. What do you do now? If you happen to find yourself with jet lag after your flight lands, the best thing to do is to get some rest. Trying to push through jet lag can lead to more problems, including further fatigue, increased irritability, and can even pose a safety risk since your mind is not sharp and alert. So instead of trying to push through the jet lag, head to your hotel room and get some rest. You'll wake up refreshed and ready to go to your next destination or to tackle that important business meeting. So in this video, we covered what jet lag is, the steps to take to avoid getting severe jet lag, and what to do if you do get jet lag. So use this information when planning your next long flight to get the most out of your trip and to avoid the mental grogginess and irritation of severe jet lag. After all, whether traveling for business or for fun, there is no reason to spend any of your trip feeling miserable if there are ways that you can avoid doing so. So do whatever you can to avoid getting jet lag and get the most out of your travel experiences. So what are your travel jet lag nightmare stories? Let us know in the comments, and also let us know if you have any other tips that we did not cover in this video for how to deal with preventing or managing jet lag. Use this as an opportunity to help others who are traveling, who are dealing with the same issues, to learn from you and your experiences. On behalf of Tanoa Travel Tips, we want to thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon for more exciting travel tips.